Our ingredients for today are 2 large eggplants, a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 large beaten eggs, a half teaspoon of black pepper, a quarter cup of fresh basil leaves, a half cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, 2 cups of marinara sauce, a teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of breadcrumbs. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's heating up, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Now take those large eggplants and slice them into half-inch thick rounds. Next, you're going to set up a breading station. You'll need 3 bowls for this. Fill one with flour, one with the beaten eggs, and one with the breadcrumbs mixed with the salt and black pepper. Take each eggplant slice and dip it first into the flour, then the eggs, and finally the breadcrumbs. Once each slice is fully coated, place it onto the prepared baking sheet. Slide the baking sheet into your preheated oven and bake the eggplant slices for 20 minutes, making sure to flip them halfway through. While that's cooking, spread a thin layer of marinara sauce in a baking dish. When the eggplant slices are done, layer half of them over the sauce. Top this with half of the mozzarella and Parmesan cheeses. Repeat this step with the remaining ingredients. Pop the dish back into the oven and bake for an additional 20 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Finally, garnish your eggplant parmesan with fresh basil leaves before serving. This recipe is versatile too. If you're gluten-free, swap out the breadcrumbs for a gluten-free variety. If you're vegan, use vegan cheeses and replace the eggs with a flaxseed meal and water mixture. And if you prefer a crispier eggplant, try frying the breaded slices in a skillet with olive oil before layering them with sauce and cheese. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.